This is the smallest fiber laser welding machine from BOGONG MACHINERY. You can see the size from these pictures. Welding the round tube. The laser beam is much better than the JINAN welding machine. This is welding the bolt tube. Splitting welding. You can welding on the stainless steel, carbon steel, aluminum. This video have the wire fitting. If the true metal parts have the big space, then you need to use the wire fitting. This is at the customer's place. You can see the detail. This laser machine is user-friendly. You can start it very easily and fast. Except welding, you can also do the cutting work.